Hey guys, we're about 4 miles in. We got done climbing a hill back there, about 700 feet elevation change. We're out here in the hills. If you notice that town ahead, that's where we're heading. We'll walk through that and continue on. Still have 9 miles today, 8 or 9. But there's that town we're heading to. We are hiking through an olive grove. And when I said 9 miles back to 8 or 9, it's closer to 10 left today. We're continuing on that way. My little buddy here was down here wanting scratches and then decided nope, he'd rather go up and roll in the dirt. A little kitty cat that wanted attention this morning. Good morning, kitty cat. Here he comes. Hi there. Hi there. Oh yeah. Get some lovin's, huh? Kitty cat. Hey guys, I've got 9 miles in. I stopped for lunch. I got 5 more miles to go or so. Stopped and got another sandwich. It's a ham and cheese and tomato sandwich and a glass of orange juice. 11.5 euro. And my legs need the rest, so I'm going to take a little bit of a break here. Hey guys, I made it to Istola and have this church on our way in. And I've got about 2/10 of a mile left to go, about another 5 minutes or so, and I'll be at my hotel. Hey guys, it's 5 p.m. I'm laying here in my bunk. Checked into the hostel, gave them my luggage, or gave them my laundry. They were going to wash my laundry and bring it up. Took a shower, just laying here relaxing. Had a 13.9 mile day, I think, and about 14.9 mile day, 1,300 feet of elevation up and 1,000 feet back down. A lot of ups and downs today. It was a decent day. Feet are doing a little sore tonight. I do have a 12-mile day, almost 13-mile day scheduled tomorrow. And then I've got a lighter 11-mile day the following day. And then maybe a short 5-mile the next day, but we'll see. Depends on how the schedule goes. I'm looking ahead, trying to figure out when I need to take a zero. I'm having to book 2 days ahead. So it's like, okay, I've committed already that I'm doing a 13 tomorrow and 11 the next day. So like 24 point some miles in the next 2 days. So that's what it is. And then at that point, I'll decide what I do, what the next steps are. So just wanted to wrap this up and say goodnight. Have a great day. Have Labor Day. And hopefully you had a good holiday weekend. And I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.